examiners, if you're coming here, will make you park your car over here for sure. Now the trouble we have is once you park your car over here, then examiner will ask you to drive off. Now examiners have got two options. They just ask you to carry on going, or they ask you to turn next left. The first problem we have, look at the right mirror, look at this car. What do you think about judging from his speed? Do you think is he doing 30 or could be doing more than 30?
He's definitely doing more than 30.
What is the speed limit over here?
30.
30. Because they're coming top to bottom, it was 40. A lot of people, they don't slow down, they just keep going faster. So when you move, you got to assess the speed of the oncoming train. Very, very important. That's the first hurdle you have to go through. The second problem which learners face, and this is important for you to understand, when you're turning left over there, if you look in the middle of the road, they have created a small box in the middle of the road. So who's coming from down to up, like coming this way, if they want to go in there, what would they do? They will position in the box, and they will wait us to go, and they will turn. Now what happened when you are turning left, when people are turning left, when the cars come inside the box, the learners goes into panic mode and they stop on the main road and they start giving way to those traffic.
But we can't because these are going too fast.
And those traffic behind you, they have to slow down because of you, and examiner will fail you. Always remember, if you coming here and if you want to be turning right, for example, and if you got a box, you will have to position in the box. That's what they're doing. So please, if you turning left here,
just go.
But you look, obviously you do your mirrors, center left mirror signal, position, slow down, look inside you can glance. If somebody have already come like there, he's going into the box, where he didn't go into the box, he should have gone into the box. He turned because there was no car coming. If there would have been any car, he would have stopped in the box and let us to go. But people go into the panic mode. Sometime when you're coming, yes, if that car have already halfway through, he crossed his box, and he's on middle of a road, then what would you do? Then you have to slow down.
Have to stop.
But do not forcefully stop yourself just because somebody is waiting in the box, please. Okay, so remember this for me. So drive off again whenever you're ready. So once he goes, look how fast they're coming now.
And someone else.
So now start reacting quickly. There you go.
No,
do you understand? Look how fast he's going. Okay, we're turning next left, please. So like he was committed, you see what I mean? So your hazard mainly is the road you are turning into, isn't it?